Well, the first question is, why do we want to integrate? And the next question is, what are the gotchas? What am I going to run into? What's going to trouble me? The reason why you want to integrate different JVM languages is, today you have some really powerful languages on the JVM. For example, if you are interested in dynamic languages, you got JRuby and Groovy. If you're interested in functional style of programming, you could opt in for languages like Scala or Clojure. And each of these languages come with their own strength. They have some very highly expressive power. The code is concise. You got some extremely powerful set of APIs. For example, one of the things I'm interested in is to program with Scala, because you could do some really powerful concurrent programming with it. You could also use powerful XML processing. In the case of Groovy, it certainly meta-programming draws me into it. So there are reasons to use these languages. But realistically speaking, I can't use these languages in isolation if I'm working with existing Java applications. I want to be able to integrate these languages with existing Java code. There are a couple of different options with integration. One is integration through these boundaries of subsystems and surfaces, maybe using something like JSON or other things. But what if I really want to integrate at the language level? That is pretty easy, to be honest with you. But there are a few rough edges. There are a few places where you will get into some issues that will surprise you. Well, I've run into some of those, and I was able to get around them. It took a certain amount of effort, and you really have to know how to drive around. And that's exactly what I'm going to show you in this session. I have no slides at all in this session. I'm going to just open up an editor, write some Java code, call it from different languages. I'm going to take some code within, let's say, Groovy and Scala and other languages. I'm going to have closures, for example, and I'm going to show you how you can call these functions and pass closures from right within Java. And I will take you along the path where we will run into some issues. We will understand what the problems are, but quickly recover from them. So when you leave from this session, if you have a desire to integrate multiple languages on the JVM, and if the integration has scared you in the past, or there are issues that seem to keep you away from it, this session will take away all those fear, and you will be equipped with what you need to integrate with JVM languages, and you will learn how really easy it is if you know a few things that you need to take care of, and that's what you're going to see in this session. I hope to see you there.